Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. Fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, April the 21st, 2022. We have two puzzles left, the Tectonic with 4 stars and the Killer Sudoku. It's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 4443. Yeah. 4443. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Yesterday also 13 printed digits. A hard one, yes. Yesterday I had a hard one to solve. 4 stars puzzle, hard one, and I believe I need 30 minutes or more. Apologies for the bumping to the camera. Yeah. Let me put this here. 30 minutes or more I need to solve. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Dual box, I see here dual box. Their dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is here filled in, so this box should be a 1. The 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. A triple box then. We have here a triple box, there triple box. And when you see the triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left. In this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And the box, the inside box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Okay, then the quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here in this puzzle? No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then the following strategy is to look for figures or shapes, construction or structures. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Or there. Let me put it there. Okay. We have here the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. And that box has the same number as this box. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one T shape? No. The second and the third one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And that box has the same number as this box. Well, I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2. Yeah, definitely a 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Alright, T-shaped area. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, we remember that this box has is connected with that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2, but I see here a 1. So it can't be 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. You have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do you have more? No. No more. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. You see this kind of shape? This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. A 5. This box has the same number as that box. Only one figure I see here. Then the last figure or shape. This one. Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Only 4 of them. We have more. I believe there are 6, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be there 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can it be a 4? That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. But also these 2 boxes can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Let me see. This box can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers are 1 and 2. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers are 1 and 3. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 and 3, but we already have a 1 here. So it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then Yeah. I've marked those two boxes with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. 1 and a 2. Well, that means that that box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Then 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here. So this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers are 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Think. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot place any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 4. Those two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then this box can be a 3, and this box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 3 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Okay. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Then let me see. Yeah. Well. Ooh, the difficult part. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, and this box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 2. Okay. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. I'm missing here the 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3, and that box should be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Okay. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, we have a double 1 there, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. That means that this box can be 2 or a 1. The 2 and a 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box is going to be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box is going to be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box is going to be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 5. Finish in 60 minutes. 4 stars. Oh, well, no. 3 stars. No. I think it's rather a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.